everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I created this broken look inspired by the incredibly talented Promise Tamang, then please keep watching. I began by outlining the cracks in my face using a natural color lip liner. This is so that if you make any mistakes, it's easy to erase. If you use a black liner, it's just going to make a huge mess if you make a mistake. I then began filling in the empty spaces of the cracks with this black from the Makeup Forever Flash Color case. And I did this using a synthetic bristle brush from MAC. This is where I made my first mistake. I should have done my eyes first and laid the foundation before I began filling in the empty spaces with black cream paint. This made it so much harder later on filling in all those gaps with the foundation. I used this MAC 266 angled brush to fill in all the fine lines. If you're using cream colors, you'll want to set them afterwards. This helps the black to look more opaque, gets rid of that shine and prevents any smudging. I did this using a black from the Morphe 35B palette. This is where I realized that I had made a mistake by not doing the foundation first. I had to use a small oval brush from Iconic London to get in between all the small gaps. I then did my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer pencil, again something that should have been done at the beginning. I used the Louise base in Rumour Shade 2 to prep my eyelids. I used the colour Pale from the Morphe 35B palette and E4 from the Norvina Volume 2 palette for the eyes. I wanted to keep the look simple as this wasn't the focus of the look and I didn't spend much time on them. I highlighted the inner corner of my eyes with the colour C1 from the Norvina Volume 2 palette. Eyeliner is the Kat Von D ink liner. I used the MAC lip pencil in the colour Auburn to line the lips. This was really the hardest part of the look for me. Mascara is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I then highlighted the cracks using this white from the Makeup Forever Flash Color case. I didn't want the white cracks to look too opaque, so I went in with a Q-tip and just blended over them. I then filled in some more detailed and finer cracks. I filled in the lips using the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in Ladies Night. Lashes are by Tatti Lashes in TL23. A bit of highlighter for the nose, and I was done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see any more of these looks, please consider subscribing.